Hi everybody. Today my focus is hilling my potatoes that I'm growing in potato bags. So you can see here, oh no, look, I have a potato bug, potato beetle. Okay, so I'm gonna stop filming and I'm going to get rid of these potato beetles. Okay, crisis averted. I removed all the potato beetles. Damn. So here are my 4 potato bags. This guy over here I already hilled about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Clearly this one needs to be hilled immediately, and these 2 might be able to last another few days, but I'm gonna get as much hilling in as I can with the dirt that my son has prepared for me. So I have a video that is how I planted the potato seeds in these bags. I'll link that in the description. My son makes a mixture of soil for me. It's a mixture of compost, organic soil, and perlite, and that's what I'll be using today to hill these potatoes. So I just fill a bucket with some of that pre-mixed soil that my son made me. Unravel the bag and, like I said, double check and make sure you don't have any potato beetles like I just had. Making sure they're all gone. I'm just folding the bag up a little bit and just carefully putting the soil in. Okay, so I am actually going to hill this guy higher. And this guy, I'm going to hill him again. This guy I'm going to leave like this. I think it's looking pretty good. I'll probably hill it one more time. And same with this guy. One more time in a few weeks. So that's just where I'm at with hilling potatoes. I'm really hoping these bags work out well, but I won't be able to see the results for a couple months. So I will put some community post photos of how they are looking in case you want to check out how they're doing. And other than that, I will make my next video when we harvest the potatoes. Thank you for watching. Have yourselves a great day.